More Mars anomalies and artifacts, ancient Inca-type ruins, retaining walls or farm found on Mars. My name is Jean. Thank you for joining me. This is another RaptorZone Saturn Ark collaboration. Just a quick note on the latest edition. I've added a image scale indicator to my HiRISE cropped images, and although it's based on the resolution provided by NASA, the image size may deviate slightly. So until better measuring tools are available and images saved from HiView or the CTX viewer include a scale indicator, I want you guys to please use the size indicator as an approximation tool only for now. Thank you for that. So the area we're looking at is over here, taken by the MRO context camera. That's it there. Check out the very rectangular structures on the Martian surface, almost perfect squares, very straight lines and right angles, and this is it rotated and zoomed in. So I measured the sides of these squares and they are approximately 3 kilometers each, so these are massive squares. And then inside we've got this really strange like spiders combined with some what looks like a moss type of material, hence the speculation that these could be some type of retaining walls for a farming project. So it reminds me of rice fields or farming that we find in Thailand. In this example, check out the retaining walls and the geometry. And this also reminds me of another area that I covered, 13 kilometers to the northwest. NASA calls this area Inca City, monitoring of evolution. And also I found similar square looking dunes, if we could call these dunes, parallel and intersecting at right angles. Very odd as well. This was approximately 5,100 kilometers away, so that's very interesting. The HiRISE photograph of these Inca City type ruins is right here. I'll include the link in the description below. Monitoring defrosting patterns on Inca City Ridges, taken on the 28th of February 2011 with 50 centimeters per pixel. That's the low-res JPEG of this particular HiRISE photograph. So here we are in the JP2. I've cropped these images from the JP2, and you can see the walls up close, and then these really strange looking features inside these squares. And I did find some smaller anomalies in this area, and I've zoomed in particularly on that one that I found very interesting. It's about 10 meters in diameter, and it's just another disc-like object with a smaller dome in the center. And it also looks as if it might have impacted this surface here with the disturbance of the surface. You can see there might have been an impact there, I'm not sure. So the scale is as accurate as I can get it. Check out the other smaller objects. Rather strange to find these near the South Pole. Here's a close-up of the so-called spiders and what I think is a black moss type of material that might be growing over these, what I think are the roots of a type of plants. Pure speculation. So yeah, there's more of them throughout the area. More of these smaller anomalies that look out of place, and then larger so-called spiders, and then very, very large spiders. So these are approximately 100 to 120 meters across. And you'll find the enhanced images, relevant links to previous posts and videos in my blog as well. I'll include the link below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.